Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This is my second bust slash figure that I've ever painted. And I would like to thank Gilbert MonDragon over at Red Dragon Modelwerks, the Styrene Syndicate, for helping me paint this figure, showing me what to do with leathers and with wood grain. But this is the zombie skeleton Conquistador, 3D printed by Hobby Mike over at NY3D Creations. And like I was saying, I had a blast building this and painting it. And you'll see in the attached photos that are rolling along my progress in this build and how fun it was to build. I did overcoat the 3D print with a primer, a high fill primer, the SEM primer, flat black, and then I used black Stynylrez over that. The rest was done mostly with acrylics, a lot of Vallejo colors, a lot of Citadel colors. I did use some inks to shadow and highlight. I used the inks for the leather straps on his belts. I used oils on his shield. And if you look at the shield, wood effects on the shield. I used oils on the gravestone, on the ground. I used inks and acrylics. Of course, a lot of it was airbrushed, but a lot was hand painted. I did a lot of different effects here. Let me give you a closer look at him. And I'm not afraid to show close-ups, and it's not perfect, but I had a blast painting it. The shield is not glued on, it's loose, but that's fine. It's not going to go nowhere. I painted the sword like it was all rusted up, and you know, his armor pretty beat up and old. It's hard to see, but his kilt or under his armor, I don't know what that's called, so comment below to let me know what you would call this, but that's actually a purple color. The video's not showing it. Maybe I can adjust it when I edit the video, but that's what I did with that. But I did light him up, and you'll see video of that. I put a red light LED in the torso and a green light up in the head. So you'll see that also. And more of his armor. It's a great print. I think Hobby Mike did a great job with this print. It's very delicate, but it is available on his website. I'll put links down below. And this was part of a paint series, how-to paint series by Gilbert MonDragon over Red Dragon Modelwerks. I think we did 3 parts to this. I'll put links down below. You'll see our progress on all of us that built this. So it was a blast building it. Please comment below if you think I did it right. Maybe some suggestions. I purposely did not make the armor real shiny. I could have gone back in there and shined it up. But I do appreciate all the comments. Please spread the word that I do build and paint, not just do model reviews. So I appreciate all your comments. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for all video upload notifications and give me a thumbs up. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.